Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to install YouTube on your laptop. This will allow you to access YouTube faster, just like an app on your computer. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your laptop. In the search bar, go to YouTube's official website by typing youtube.com and pressing enter. Once the YouTube homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a square icon with a downward arrow, which is the icon to install the YouTube app. Click on that icon, then select Install YouTube. After installation is complete, YouTube will automatically open in a standalone window as an independent app. Additionally, you'll see the YouTube icon appear on your desktop or in your Start menu. From now on, you can open YouTube directly without needing a browser. Simply double-click the app icon. Furthermore, the app allows you to log in with your Google account to access all the features, just like when using a browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with more tutorials from EasyTech Steps. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.